Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas Mastercraft, bringing you a really cool new piece of inventory that we have, a 2023 Crest Savannah 250. This is one of their top-of-the-line models. We're going to take a look at some of the features inside. This boat is here at MarineMax. We're going to be your one-stop shop for all your boating needs. We're going to get you taken care of with awesome financing options, get your insurance taken care of. We have an amazing pro shop with all the boards and the tubes that you guys are going to need while you're out there. And then also we have an awesome service department that's going to give you the peace of mind while you're out there on the water, so you guys can just enjoy it with your family. Let's take a step inside, take a look at some of our favorite features. All right guys, as we step inside the boat, you can see on the back of the boat we have our awesome 300 Mercury. This is going to push you guys all around the water, do whatever water sports you guys want to, as well as having that awesome ski tow bar so you guys can be safe while you're out there. We have these really cool port and starboard side loungers. These are going to make it so that your passengers can hang out, watch from the back of the boat, and be really comfortable while you're out there. As we step forward, you can see we have our extra wide captain's and port side chair. These are going to be awesome so that you guys can hang out together and have your facing forward while you guys are driving. Our helm station is really nice. We have our Klipsch audio system that's going to be full Bluetooth, aux and USB, whatever you guys need to do. All your lighting's going to be on here. We actually have a wireless remote for all your lighting so you guys can control it from anywhere, and a 9-inch Garmin that's going to have all of your information for the boat, and chart plotter fish finder. Going to have all that information you guys need. As we step forward inside of the boat, you can see we've got that Klipsch audio all around the boat, as well as recessed cup holders. You guys are never going to be lacking for a cup holder while you're out here. Your in-floor storage is really nice, so you guys can store those skis, wakeboards, or anything out of the way, as well as storage underneath all these seats. It's going to make it really easy to keep those life jackets and towels out of the way, and you guys can enjoy your experience out here. And you can see these loungers are really nice, so you got the loungers in the back and in the front. You guys can all hang out and party while you're out there. Again, this is the Crest 250 Savannah. This is a 2023 model here at MarineMax Texas Mastercraft. My name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.